Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you an IP68 rated water test on the OnePlus 9 Pro mobile phone. When unboxed, you get a charging adapter, cable, case and the manual. OnePlus 9 Pro is coming with Snapdragon 888 chipset with Adreno 660 GPU and featured a 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED screen with 1 billion colors. And it comes with an aluminium mid-frame and Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front screen and rear cover glass. The device is highlighting the hasselbed partnership for their cameras. OnePlus 9 Pro is officially claimed and certified with IP68 certificate globally, which can last 1.5 meter deep for 30 minutes. But still, let's see the waterproofing level on the OnePlus 9 Pro. First, we place the OnePlus 9 Pro into a small tank with water and leave it for 5 minutes. Once the water starts pouring into the screen, it creates its responses, but the functionalities remain the same. The coating is helping to isolate the water droplets on the screen. There is no visible change on the phone after 5 minutes, and all functionalities are seemed intact. Next is the IP68 rated test for 30 minutes under 1.5 meter deep tube. Let's begin the test by placing the OnePlus 9 Pro in the cylinder tube now. It is a little over 15 minutes now, and so far there is no visible change. It seems the device waterproofing level is great. After 30 minutes, we take out the phone and the OnePlus 9 Pro is still working in its original condition. Like the 8 Pro, it is good to see the OnePlus 9 Pro is doing great in the water.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
After the test, all functionalities are still in order. There is no visible change on the phone. Stay tuned for the teardown. Let us know what you think. Do not forget to like, share and comment on our videos. Please support us by subscribing to our channel.